we are discussing about cell division. One of the most important characteristics of all living organism is growth, which involve increase in size of organism and increase in number of cells. The growth occur by the process of cell division. So what is cell division? The cell division, the process of reproduction or formation of new cells from the pre-existing cells, resulting into growth of an organism. It is the process of duplication or multiplication rather than division. Okay, the cell division is occur in two types, that is mitosis and meiosis. In this image, there is a parent cell. This is the parent cell, and after that DNA replication, it form into two daughter cells. Okay, this is the mitosis, and in mitosis there are 5 stages. First one is interphase. Okay, in interphase there are 3 main phases, that is G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. G1 phase is called as pre-DNA synthesis phase. Okay, and this phase is called as post-mitotic phase. This is longest phase, and during this phase protein and RNA synthesis take place. Next phase is S phase, DNA synthesis phase. This phase occur after G1 and take less time than G1. During this phase chromosome and DNA replication take place. Next one is G2 phase. Okay, this is the G2 phase, and in G2 phase there is the chromosomes are not visible and individually distinguishable, and at the ending of a G2 phase chromosome appear thin and coiled thread forming a faint network. Okay, after completion of the all 3 phases, there is the starting of the prophase. Okay, so the prophase is during this stage the chromatin network begins to coil and appears as a long thread like structures called the chromosomes. Each chromosome consists of 2 chromatids that lie side by side and joined at the center called centromere. The nuclear membrane and nucleolus disappear at the end prophase. In animal cells, the centrioles move to the opposite poles and the centrosome from the aster ray. Okay, so these are the centrosomes which are moving toward the opposite pole, and in this phase the nucleolus is disappear, chromatin condensed into chromosome and separation of centromere. Okay, and the centrosomes form the spindle fibers. Okay, next phase is the metaphase. Spindle fiber are formed and chromosomes are arranged on equatorial. Okay, this is the centrosomes, and it forms the spindle fiber, and the chromosome are attached to that spindle fiber. Then chromosomes are clearly visible in that stage, and hence there is the we will confirm the morphology of chromosome in that phase, and the chromosome arranged at the middle and forming the metaphase plate. Okay, so this is given. Thick coiled chromosomes are lined up in the center of the cell on the metaphase plate. Spindle fiber are attached to the chromosomes. Next phase is the anaphase. So in anaphase, centromere of each chromosome divide and sister chromatids, that is daughter chromosome, separate from each other and move toward opposite poles. Okay, then each chromosome produce 2 daughter chromosomes which form 2 groups at opposite poles. Okay, next one is Okay, so what happen in the anaphase, that is chromatids move apart from each other. Chromatids are called chromosomes after the separation. Then chromosome can be seen moving. They take on a rough V shape. Okay, after separation they look like V shape. Okay, this image shows that. And result of anaphase in an equal separation and distribution of chromosome. Okay, uh, and then next phase in telophase, spindle fiber degenerate and nuclear membrane and nucleolus reappear. Thus two daughter nuclei are formed at two poles. Okay, this is the two daughter nuclei are formed at two pole, and chromosome uncoil and elongate and lose their stability and finally appear at interphase. Okay, after that telophase, there is the cytokinesis, that is the process of division of the cytoplasm. Okay, in animal cell, by the time anaphase is completing, a constriction appear in the middle periphery of the cytoplasm. This gradually divide cytoplasm into two daughter cells. Okay, so what is the significance of the mitosis? The that is the mitosis complete. Mitosis is the process of formation of a two daughter cell which are identical to that of the mother cell, and hence it result in the formation of two daughter cell with a similar genetic constitution as that of a mother cell, and a linear heredity establishment. DNA and RNA ratio is maintained in that cell, and essential for normal growth and development of living organism, help in asexual propagation, and useful for maintaining the purity of type, as mitosis results into identical cells in quality and quantity. Okay, so uh, we will summarize this, that this is the cell division, that is a parent cell divide into two daughter cell, and after that there is the uh, interphase. In interphase there are three phases, that is G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase, and there is start of a prophase. In prophase there is a nucleus disappear and chromatin condense into chromosome and separation of centromere, formation of a mitotic spindle. And next one is the metaphase. In metaphase there is the formation of metaphase plate. Okay, and next one is the anaphase. In anaphase the chromosome separate and move toward the opposite pole and forming the V shape. Okay, and last one is the telophase, that is the uh, nuclear envelopes form and chromosome unfold back into chromatin and nucleoli reappear. Okay, this is the process of mitosis. Okay, thank you for watching video. Like, share and subscribe.